Now, a civil society organization, Save the Republic, has urged the federal government to amicably resolve the dispute between oil workers union PENGASSAN and oil company Dangote Refinery. It raised concerns over reports that more than 800 Nigerian engineers and workers were sacked by the Dangote Petroleum Refinery following attempts to join a trade union. The group says the matter raises serious questions about labor rights, fair employment practices, and Nigeria's regulatory environment. It's pointed out that the Nigerian Constitution and the Trade Unions Act recognize the right of workers to freely associate and join unions, insisting that any attempt to restrict such rights would be inconsistent with the law. The group commended the Department of State Services, DSS, and the Ministry of Labor and Employment for their efforts at resolving the situation.
PENGASSAN is just saying that you cannot wake up in one fell swoop and sack 800 engineers and Nigerian workers. That's what they are saying. And that you cannot prevent people from joining the union. The Nigerians have the right to unionize. The workers have the right to unionize. And that this is no longer 1860.
We are calling on all meaning Nigerians. Today is the workers. It could be a prototype for the citizens tomorrow. We were calling on all well-meaning Nigerians. Don't just sit back and say it concerns one group of individuals. No. In one way or the other, we are also affected. Whatsoever that happens at the downstream or upstream sector affects the common Nigerian.
It's important that we know that a stitch in time saves time. Goodwill individual must speak. And we are standing today to speak that Nigeria must rise. And we are lending our support to all individuals that have mediated earlier before now and those who are still going to mediate.